How to add multiple videos to Instagram story. Did you know that you can add multiple videos to an Instagram story? If you try to add 2 videos to a story on Instagram, you'll notice that it's not possible. Instagram still doesn't offer the option to add more than 1 video. But don't worry, I have a solution. With a little trick I'm going to show you today, you'll be able to add a greater number of videos to one story. Let me show you how. For this process, you'll need CapCut. If you don't have it on your phone, install it before we begin. Let's get started. Open the CapCut app. Then click on the New Project button. Select a video you want to add. Add the video by clicking on the Add button. The video has been successfully added. It will cut the end part with the CapCut logo. Click on the black part at the end of the video. Then press Delete. Scroll the icons at the bottom left. Click on Aspect Ratio to adjust the format for an Instagram story. Select 9:16 and save by clicking on the check mark. For clarity, you can minimize the video track by pinching it. If you want to further edit the video, tap on the video on the track. Then click on the video above and resize it or zoom in as desired. Also, position it as you like. Now, I'll add the second video. Click on the overlay icon at the bottom of the screen. Then click on Add Overlay. Select the second video and press the Add button. To start both videos at the same time, I'll move the second video. Press the second video on the track and drag it to the left so that the videos start simultaneously. Repeat the process of adjusting the dimensions of the video and positioning it. My videos are of different lengths, so I'll trim the longer video. Note that you don't count the white part when trimming the video as shown in the video. Now, let's see how the video looks. Press the arrow here. Save the video by clicking on the arrow. Wait a few seconds for the video to download. Press Done. Exit the CapCut app. Open Instagram. Go to the story and select the video you edited. It will be in the gallery of your phone. You can resize or zoom in on the video like any other. If you want, you can also apply one of Instagram's filters. Share your interesting story with your followers. Thank you for following us in increasing numbers. See you in the next tutorial. Subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.